Oi, Chuche, we'll have to find some way to hide. Today, Bholi's gang is out on a hunt for us.
Oi, Chuche, didn't you know that Chuchagiri with Bholi means only danger?
Bro, what did I do? I was just laughing, that's it. Laughing is not a bad thing. Bholi's gang got scared. Bholi's gang got scared.
Chuche, you dare scare Bholi?
No, Bholi, you got it all wrong. We were just testing that if you scare someone too much, then what kind of sound they make.
For example, help! Oh God! Mummy! No! But Bholi, you are quite talented.
Hey, goofball! Now Bholi will show you what voices you hear. Changu Mangu, attack!
Oi, Chuche, next time just see who you scare before you do it. Hey, brother, check out that mansion. Come, let's go and hide there.
God-forsaken mansion, now I am in tension.
Lally, don't be a scaredly cat. Why tension? Only mention.
Ghost house?
Oh, it's the house of Ghosh, uncle. Come on, let's have a tea then.
Bholi! Go, ghost house! Means mansion of ghosts. Now Fukras will know what a scared person sounds like.
Oi, bro. It's an automatic door. It opened up itself.
Chuche, your Ghosh uncle has got some real swag.
Yes, after all, he's my uncle.
Guys, I don't have a good feeling about this. We should go back to Bholi. We'll say sorry to her.
Leaving without meeting Uncle Ghosh? Come on, Lali. Just look around at the awesome mansion. Oi. Bro, this place has automatic speakers too. Techno, uncle.
It's not speaker, it's called echo.
No, bro, it's speakers. Listen. Oi. See, Lali? Oi.
Bro, you are right, it's not echo. Not even speakers. It's actually ghost. Run!
Hey, Lali, don't be scared. We are here with you. You just stay behind us, okay?
Bholi is behind us.
Then stay ahead.
Ghost is ahead.
Then be like a burger patty and stay between both of us.
Leave me, honey. I'm going. Let me go.
Stop bothering, Chuche. I'm trying to convince Lali.
Stop tickling, honey bro. Stop it, honey bro. I'll burst with laughter.
I am a real ghost, not your bro!
Stop lying. You're neither my bro nor a ghost. You are a sister.
Ghost!
Yes, ghost! That's me!
No.
Huh?
You can't be a ghost. My mom says there is no such thing as ghost.
Mummy, I'm right here in front of you. What more proof do you need?
No, I don't believe you. My mummy never lies. You can't be a ghost.
If not a ghost, then who am I?
Oh, why are you asking me all this? Honey bro, I feel she has lost her memory. So sad.
Oh, okay. Check this out. I can do this.
So what? Look, even I can do this. Oy.
Okay, but I have no reflection in the mirror.
Oh, no.
Oof, sister. Stop this hide and seek and check out how cute this Chucha looks, right?
Oi, Chuche. She's actually
Look, Chuche, I'm not playing hide and seek with you. I don't have a reflection.
So what? There is no reflection of Honey and Lali because no one shines as bright as cute little Chucha. We tolerate Bholi and Changumangu every day, so we are not scared of anyone.
No one is scared of me. What's the point of being a ghost? I got visitors after such a long time, and I failed to scare them.
Who? Hey, ghost sister, don't you have any teacher?
No, I don't have a teacher or a friend.
Then you can become our friend because those who don't have a friend, Chucha becomes their friend.
Honey and Lali too.
What? Friends with ghosts? Oye, why, Daddy G?
Will you be friends with me?
Yes, but you have to pay some tax before you can join Fukra gang.
Tell me, what do you want? Your new friend can give you anything.
Anything? Here we hit the jackpot.
Full marks in exam. Nitum is class teacher. And riddles from Chick Stands.
What, yeah, Lali? Just get me chole bhature, dear sister.
Hey, what kind of wish is that, Chuche? Treasure, toys, chocolates, and ask to get rid from Chusky sir's classes, you know.
What? Bro, she actually disappeared like a ghost. But I know she's not a ghost.
Here you go, chole bhature.
The taste is somewhat different.
I got it from my dad's shop. These chole bhature were made 100 years back.
100 years old?
It won't be good.
So we are all friends from today. What did you say your name was?
Everyone calls me Frightened Witch.
We'll help you to go from frightened witch to terrifying witch. We all can train you to scare the hell out of people. That's it, we are almost done. Now you just have to say this loudly. I am a terrifying witch.
I am a terrifying witch.
Woohoo! No, sister, it's not he 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 he. It's ho 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 ho.
Hoo! Ha 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 ha!
Daddy G.
You should scare people with a lot of swag.
Boo! Like this?
Scare them with Cheek Stands.
Oi, 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 oi. One more thing that scares kids most is mathematics. Look here. What's this is A plus B whole square.
There's still something missing.
Oi, 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 oi. I know, bro. Ghosts are always white. Ghost sister, please get a box of talcum powder.
Look, sir. Instead of studying, these fukras are doing fukrabanti in this mansion.
Hey, keep quiet! Today, Chusky will make these 3 buffaloes humans again. Hey, Fukre boys, come out!
Oh gosh, Chusky sir. I have got a hack. Hey ghost sis, it's time to test your skills. Show them your ghostly swag.
Sangu Mangu, go from this side. Boli, you go from that side. And rest of all come with me.
Hey, Chuche, your scare tactics won't work this time. I'll make you fly like a rocket. Hey, goofball! Stop your nonsense! Right now!
Holy, meet my It's terrifying witch.
Terrifying witch.
Wait, I passed out scaring people. Thank you for class. Now I'll make an omelette of you guys. Woo! You're welcome, ghost sister.
I'll make an omelette and eat you guys.